Are you attracted to millionaires and billionaires who built their fortunes from scratch? Have you ever reflected on how they become so immensely wealthy? The path to achieving wealth may seem enigmatic, but each successful person possesses specific skills that help them reach the pinnacle. Mastering these competencies can serve as a guide for anyone looking to replicate that abundance. In this video, we will explore the 7 essential skills you should cultivate to become rich. Before we begin, please like the video and consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on amazing content like this. Let's go. First, focus on the long term. Reflect on your life's journey. Is it shaped by fleeting pleasures that lead nowhere or by a series of lasting projects? This fundamental question helps you understand how successful you can be in the future. It's tempting to prioritize instant gratification or seek quick financial gains that don't provide lasting benefits. Imagine getting money quickly. You start a project, make a lot of profit, but then spend it all on things like a new car, expensive shoes, or a big trip to Las Vegas. In the end, you find yourself exactly where you started. Look at unsuccessful people. Notice how they tend to focus on temporary ventures, jumping from one job or business to another without committing to anything long-term. In contrast, one of the hallmark traits of millionaires is their firm dedication to wealth creation, even if it means sacrificing immediate pleasures. As entrepreneur Grant Cardone aptly states, "Pay the price today so you can pay any price tomorrow." However, instead of putting in the effort, most seek quick fixes in life. Think about the significant amount Americans spend on lottery tickets, a sum nearing Bill Gates' fortune. Have you ever thought about uncovering the secrets of the greatest minds in the world without any effort? It might seem impressive. Decades of knowledge in just a few hours. Books allow you to absorb information that others have compiled over the years, all condensed into something you can read in a short time. Consider the extraordinary advances we've made in technology, medicine, and business, resulting from compiling accumulated learning over many years into just a few hours. Then we build upon that. Airplanes, luxury cars, and smartphones exist because people utilized what others learned in the past and improved upon it. Think about how this can transform your life in business or personal aspects. Just reflecting on how successful individuals can elevate their lives to extraordinary new heights. It's like trying to create a venture or live a fulfilling existence without understanding what success is. It would be like attempting to perform complex heart surgery without any medical knowledge. Just as you wouldn't try to erect a skyscraper without understanding how buildings work, the same applies to building a thriving business. To achieve success in business or life, we need to carefully learn from those who have already triumphed and then build upon their experiences. Discipline is an essential element, as our brains tend to resist leaving their comfort zones. Having discipline means prioritizing our goals even when circumstances are tough or motivation is lacking, always striving toward what we desire. For example, if your goal is to create a successful business, it involves consistently connecting with your customers or audience every morning. Similarly, if you want to improve your fitness, it requires exercising regularly and maintaining a healthy diet, even when you don't feel like it. Discipline is prioritizing actions that lead you toward your goals, even if it means sacrificing immediate gratification. A significant challenge in developing discipline is often the lack of a clear direction or goal. Without a defined path, maintaining discipline becomes complicated. The first step to cultivating discipline is to identify the desired outcomes and understand the underlying motivations. Recognizing the reasons behind your actions provides a clear target and keeps your motivation intact. Moreover, identifying the essential actions to achieve your goals simplifies the process and avoids overwhelm. Prioritizing tasks is key to cultivating discipline. Furthermore, avoiding distractions is crucial. Accountability is another important aspect. Without external accountability, it's easy to veer off course. Involving others who count on you can significantly increase your commitment to staying focused. Lastly, monitoring your progress is vital. Regularly assessing your advancement keeps you motivated and allows for adjustments based on performance. If you are new to practicing discipline, you can start with small, manageable tasks, such as setting a consistent wake-up time or going for a daily morning walk. Sticking to these habits for at least 21 days can potentially create lasting routines. Even small structural changes in your routine can facilitate the development of discipline in various aspects of your life. People often overestimate what they can achieve in a year, but underestimate the progress they can make in 5 or 10 years. Successful individuals understand that it's crucial to work hard now to enjoy the benefits later. While many crave immediate results, big goals typically require time to materialize. Building something extraordinary can take 5, 10, or even 15 years, demanding continuous effort every day. Recognizing that great achievements require time may not be well received by some. However, as entrepreneur John Damon insightfully notes, what often appears to be an overnight success is, in reality, the result of 15 years of dedication. It's common for people to doubt us when we have ambitious goals, and sometimes we even question ourselves, as our objectives seem so grand. This highlights the importance of self-motivation. Being self-motivated means understanding why we want to achieve our goals, grasping the mission behind what we are doing, and finding the strength to move forward even when others doubt us. While external voices may discourage us, ultimately, it is our own determination that defines our success. Sometimes we feel inspired, and other times we feel no motivation at all. There are days when getting out of bed feels monumental, while other times we wake up early with enthusiasm for what we will accomplish. Successful individuals cultivate the ability to generate motivation from within. An effective strategy to boost motivation is to reflect on the legacy we want to leave. How do we want to be remembered? What kind of life do we aspire to provide for our loved ones, whether they are our parents or children? Reflecting on our ultimate goals can reignite our motivation to move forward. This aspect often goes unnoticed, but surrounding ourselves with successful people holds significant value. Being in the company of ambitious individuals who focus on success and refuse to accept mediocrity can profoundly influence us. When you engage with these people, their mindset and motivation become your new standard. In a world where mediocrity often prevails, many people end up following what everyone else does, often without realizing it. But when you are close to energetic people who refuse to settle for the ordinary, it sets a new standard for you, making you strive for excellence and accept nothing less. Ultimately, the success of any business depends on sales skills. It depends on how effectively he can make sales. If you ask any successful business owner how to expand a business, they will always highlight the importance of increasing sales. Sales are the vital blood of any organization. Before considering forming a team and managing employees, it is essential to master the art of persuading people to exchange money for a product or service. It is crucial to realize that sales skills are not just for the business world. They are valuable in various areas of life. Each interaction presents an opportunity to demonstrate your worth, whether trying to impress someone you're interested in or convincing your children to do something. You are employing sales tactics. Being skilled in sales gives you a significant advantage in any situation, helping you achieve positive outcomes. Surprisingly, many people do not recognize the relevance of sales skills, but becoming proficient in this can yield great rewards. Accumulating wealth often means using specific tools to maximize your money. One of these strategies is leverage, which involves using a small amount of something to achieve large results. There are 7 main forms of leverage that the wealthy use to increase their fortune. Understanding these tools can provide you with useful insights for managing your finances. Number 1, the knowledge of others. As humans, we do not know everything. Each individual has different skills and talents that can contribute to creating a successful business. As Robert Kiyosaki said, a smart person hires people who are smarter than they are. By leveraging the skills, knowledge, and experiences of others, you access resources you did not have before. This knowledge can be gained from skilled employees, consultants, mentors, and coaches. You do not need to spend years learning through trial and error when someone can teach you in just a few hours. Many people do not realize this. Successful individuals come together to share ideas, knowledge, and strategies. They often group with like-minded individuals to learn from each other and utilize each other's skills. This is called a mastermind group, and it provides you access to a vast pool of knowledge that you can apply in your own business. Number 2, the money of others. People use other people's capital in various ways. For example, when purchasing a new car, many choose to take out a loan. The bank uses customers' deposits to grant financing to someone who wants to buy a vehicle. Buyers are using third-party resources to make their purchases. However, the wealthy employ capital differently. Many people use credit cards to acquire items, but the rich leverage other people's money to generate more wealth, something they couldn't achieve otherwise. This distinction lies between beneficial debt and harmful debt. Harmful debt involves acquiring goods we cannot afford with resources we don't possess, while beneficial debt consists of using loans for significant investments that would otherwise be inaccessible. Imagine someone wants to acquire a small apartment building valued at $3 million. Even if this person has a good income, they might not be able to pay the entire amount at once. However, if they put down $600,000 as a down payment and finance the remaining $2.4 million, they are using other people's capital to obtain the property. If they lack the $600,000, they can still tap into other people's money through investment funds. For example, if they manage to find 3 investors, each contributing $200,000, that covers the down payment, and each will own 25% of the venture, amounting to $750,000 of the property's value, without using their own funds. The original investor controls $750,000 in real estate assets. Keep in mind, this is a simplified example to illustrate the concept. Raising money from investors requires expertise. This same principle applies to conventional businesses. Many companies use this method to acquire or expand their operations. Amazon, for instance, relied on loans to build several distribution centers, helping it ship products more quickly and solidify its market leadership. Money is a tool for generating more wealth, as long as the returns exceed what is owed. This enables the creation of wealth that would otherwise be unfeasible. Number 3, the work of other people. Consider this. Paulo opens his own restaurant. He serves customers, takes orders, prepares food, serves dishes, and then cleans everything. However, he faces a challenge. Some customers become impatient with the wait and end up leaving. On the other hand, João also opens a restaurant but hires waiters, cooks, and a manager to ensure everything runs smoothly. He serves all customers quickly, leading to greater profits. In this scenario, Paulo is the bottleneck of his own business. He can only handle a limited number of tasks alone, causing some customers to leave. João, in contrast, leverages the work of others to enhance efficiency and effectiveness, enabling him to do more since he isn't the bottleneck of his operation. Number 4, the time of other people. Time is an extremely scarce resource, with only 24 hours in a day. A common practice among successful individuals is to leverage other people's time to optimize their own. We all encounter tasks that, while essential, do not provide significant value. Most successful entrepreneurs delegate these functions to others, freeing up time for more important tasks. For example, if you earn 1,000 Rs per hour with your business, it doesn't make sense to spend that time washing your car when you can pay someone else to do it. Extremely successful people avoid tasks like cleaning the house, washing the car, or cooking. Instead, they delegate these activities to maximize their time. The 5th tip relates to other people's ideas. Researchers claim that the average individual has between 60,000 and 80,000 thoughts and ideas daily, indicating that anyone can have a truly great idea. The story of Richard Montañez illustrates this well. He started as a janitor, earning $4 per hour, and created a product that generated billions of dollars: Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Montañez, who worked at Frito-Lay, had the idea of adding seasoning to Cheetos. He took regular Cheetos from the factory and tested them at home with spices. He shared his idea with the CEO, and the spicy Cheetos became one of Frito-Lay's most successful products, generating billions in sales. We don't have all the answers or ideas. Sometimes mixing someone else's idea with your own can result in something truly extraordinary and surprising. The sixth point concerns networking and the resources of others. A frequently overlooked aspect is the power of tapping into your network. As the saying goes, your network is your net worth. Building good relationships can help you achieve things you couldn't accomplish alone. For example, imagine you want to write and publish a book that becomes a New York Times bestseller. Luckily, you have a connection with a renowned editor known for launching many bestsellers. You reach out to him for advice, information, and even assistance with publishing and promoting your book. Similarly, imagine you have a brilliant business idea that could help many people, but few know about it so far. If you know influential people with many followers interested in the same topic, they might be excited to collaborate with you and promote your idea. Through a strong network, many successful people utilize resources they couldn't access otherwise. However, it's important to emphasize that being friends with someone doesn't automatically guarantee access to their resources. If you need to access someone else's resources, it's essential to develop a mutually beneficial proposal that favors both parties. We are in a special era where technology can truly assist anyone willing to use it. Almost anyone can access the internet to connect with millions of individuals through social media, targeted advertising, online selling platforms, and automated tracking systems. This has made it easier than ever for people and businesses to make a significant impact. You could spend a weekend creating a Facebook ad to promote your business, set up a page to sell your products automatically, and even organize emails to communicate with potential buyers. The internet has become one of the most powerful tools we have, supporting both ordinary people and businesses. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share your thoughts in the comments below, click the subscribe button, and turn on notifications to keep up with all my future videos. Until next time.